Do you ever feel like your internal engine is stuck revving high, like you can't quite switch off, relax, or catch your breath? That's your body stuck in sympathetic mode, fight or flight. It's exhausting. But what if I told you that your body has a built-in brake pedal, a physical reset button you can press anytime you need to slow down? Well, you do. It's called the vagus nerve. It is the longest highway in your nervous system, connecting your brain to your heart, lungs, throat, and gut. Its job is to tell your brain, chill out, we are safe. And the best part? You don't have to wait for it to happen automatically. You can learn to press that button manually using simple physical actions. Here are 5 non-invasive ways to stimulate your vagus nerve right now. Number 1, the breath break. Here's the hack. Inhaling speeds your heart up slightly. Exhaling slows it down by engaging the vagus nerve. Therefore, the secret is a long, slow exhale. Try the 4-7-8 method. Breathe in quietly for 4 counts. Hold for 7, and then forcefully blow it out for a count of 8. That long exhale physically forces the vagal breakdown. Number 2, vibration. Your vagus nerve wraps right around your vocal cords and throat muscles. You can stimulate it directly with sound. Try humming deeply, a low, vibrating om in your chest, or make it part of your routine. Gargle vigorously with water after brushing your teeth until your throat muscles feel tired. If it's vibrating, it's working. Number 3, the cold shock. This is great for immediate panic or high anxiety. Humans have an ancient dive reflex. When you splash freezing cold water on your face, your body instinctively, instantly slows your heart rate to conserve energy. It's an immediate vagal wake-up call. Number 4, a targeted touch. Believe it or not, a branch of the vagus nerve comes right to the surface here in your ear. Gently massaging the bowl of your ear with your finger can send calming signals straight up to the brain. And finally, number 5, feed your nerve. Your gut is constantly talking to your brain via the vagus highway. An inflamed gut sends danger signals upstairs. Eating fermented foods like yogurt or kimchi supports good bacteria, keeping those signals positive. You don't need expensive equipment to find calm. Your body is built to regulate itself. Sometimes it just needs a manual override. Try one of these techniques today. Take control of your vagus nerve and press your own reset button.